Hello everyone, I am Pragya and I on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. And here I will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for making the lessons very interesting for the children. Today the chapter that I will be covering is A Happy Child. So it's from the UP board class 1 chapter 5 subject English, and name of the innovative idea that I will be using today for covering this lesson is known as self-created dictionary. The innovation in this idea is to enhance the vocabulary of the student based on the concept associated to the chapter through the formation of a dictionary in due course of time. So here we are going to use this idea for revising the vocabulary related to this chapter. Okay, a very important point to note here is that before implementing this idea, we should have already completed the building, reading, and explaining part of the chapter. It has to be done because this innovative idea is only used as a means of revising the concept. The duration for the implementation of this innovation is based on the assumption that the pupil to teacher ratio is constant at 30 is to 1, and it normally takes around 10 to 15 minutes, but it can also be as per your requirement, as the number of students will vary school to school. Okay, so the let's see what are the instructions for this activity. So what educator will do, the educator will ask students to read the lesson and note down all the difficult words in their old notebook or in any notebook. The students will then be instructed to find and note down the meanings of these words by inquiring the same from their family members or by consulting a dictionary. For example, the teacher can give them words hardly, shade, sparkling, etc. The student can go home, read the lesson, and note difficult words as per their own level of understanding. They can also ask their family members for their meanings, or they can refer a dictionary and they will note down the words and their meanings in a notebook. For example, hardly, the meaning will be mushkil se. Shade, the meaning will be chaya. Sparkling, the meaning will be chamchamana. So conclude this activity by appreciating the students and motivating them to study. Through this innovative idea implementation, the following learning outcomes can be achieved. The students will be able to respond to simple instructions or announcements made in English. The students will be able to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. They will know how to use a dictionary to find out spelling and meaning. More questions can be framed as per different concepts from the lesson and class strength. This activity can be continued until each student gets an opportunity. It should be ensured that student must pay attention to the words. We can make this activity interesting. This idea act as a tool to enable the pedagogic practices for promoting the thinking process, decision making, and critical reflection as discussed in NCF 2005. Okay, the life skills that can be imparted through this innovative idea is critical thinking and decision making. The values that can be touched upon are patience, ability to wait, or to continue doing something despite difficulties, and gratitude, that is showing appreciation to others. The special needs children also gets benefited from this idea. The slow learners, they will be motivated to participate and learn through teamwork. This activity will help in improving their confidence. As the demand of the game, Children with ADHD will avoid reacting impulsively and talking excessively. They will learn to control themselves in a better way. Now, that is all for today. And if you like the video, and you can subscribe our channel, Aurobindo Society ZIIEI, and do not forget to download the Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Also follow us on Facebook. Thank you so much.